Hey dear friend, this tutorial you will learn enable parental controls on Google Play Store. Let's get started. Grab your phone, open Google Play Store. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here, you can scroll through the page, locate the settings option, tap to open them. Once you are in settings, look for the family option, click on them. After that, you can see various options located the contact restriction or parental controls there, tap on it. Open the page. Right now parental controls are currently turned off. To turn it on, simply tap on the toggle switch, then set a pin code. You can set 4-digit pin. After you type 4-digit pin, tap OK. Then confirm your selection by retype the pin again. Make sure to you can second time add the first time pin type. After you type the exact pin, confirm by tapping OK button and automatically enable parental control on Google Play Store your phone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this guide will help you. Please subscribe to my channel.